arghentrock.
Kawawa yung mga Mayana. Oh my gosh. What happened? Sabi naman, hangin. Maawa ka naman sa kanila. Ay, ano nangyari? Yung hapon na lang. Ay ba? Sira!
Lin,
My gosh. Ano ba namang hangin to?
ano yun nasira?
Yung net ko.
Oh, yung ano, ba hindi natin napapansin? Kanina pa siguro yan.
Hindi, ngayon lang. Oh my gulay.
No,
Kapag
di.
makulay. Ayan. Ay!
Oh no. So the strong wind destroyed our netting,
Hala.
our shade net.
Hala.
And actually she was worried about her Coleus plants because the wind is wreaking havoc on our Coleus plants. Actually it's her Coleus plants. Mayana plants.
Airport.
You need to use a stronger twine.
Ito ka muna. Oy.
The wind is pretty strong. It's also cold. It's the north wind. This is the north wind in the Philippines.
Nakakainis. It's nakakainis. What happened? What happened to my Mayana?
Sira?
Ito. Nabagsakan ng sampayan.
Oh, broken.
Oh.
This is the Prince of Orange.
Hindi. Sige, ito sa akin ni Yolanda. Alok ka.
Oh,
philodendron.
Red emerald.
Yato.
That's the red
Buti na lang
emerald.
meron pang
Because the
ganito.
underside is red. So poor red emerald. Emerald.
Kakainis?
I was going to say emerald. Emerald. So guys, tell me if I'm wrong in saying that's the that's a red emerald.
May ako na ayusin yun.
Okay, we'll fix this later.
Ano ba yan?
So what happened to your Mayana plants? Your Coleus plants? Dude,
Kaya no, nanihina na sila.
you got lots of Coleus leaves on the ground.
Oo, nanihina na sila. Oh. Kaya pa sila inahampas ng ano, ng hangin. Pero, tsura.
Oh, look at this. See, their stems are so soft. They're easily blown by the wind, whichever way.
Wawa naman.
Poor Mayanas. Do I have to translate every word you say?
Wawa.
Poor Mayanas. Poor Coleus.
Ito yan, tingnan mo.
Look. So this is what the wind can do to your Coleus plants.
Ba't parating dyan? Dito ka lang ah.
They're curled. What happened to these leaves? They've curled up.
Kaya nga eh.
Is this because of the wind or
Puro.
because it needs water?
Hindi, nagdilig ako kanina eh.
The leaves curled for some reason. Look at this. So this is the new cutting, and this is the source plant. So the cutting came from this, and look, they're all the leaves are all going that way. See, they're all going that way. Yeah, look at that. Let's check out some of the cuttings. These are faring well.
Ayan o. Sobrang ano siya.
So if the wind's too strong, they curl up. The leaves curl up.
Yan o. Okay na yan eh.
Oh,
Bigla nagkaganyan. Lalo naman ito.
no. Oh no.
Lalo naman to.
Oh no. Oh no.
Kawawa.
But I think they're still alive, right?
Hmm.
They're still alive.
Siguro. Baka mag-survive naman.
And they might survive. So this is what the wind can do to
Ito,
your
ito.
Coleus plants.
Look, oh.
No, look at that. It's like the leaves have been whiplashed.
Kainis. Kinawawa ng hangin. Ano ba yan? Ayan oh, bumibirada pa si hangin. Oo, no.
So the wind is very strong
Nakakainis.
and also cold.
Tinago ko na nga sila. Oh, tsaka malamig kaya.
So does that mean that you won't be able to successfully grow Mayana plants in a high altitude area where the wind blows strongly?
Tingnan mo, oh. Okay sila kahapon. Look, oh.
Oh no.
Ito rin.
Oh no.
Oh, no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh no.
Ito rin. Okay na to eh.
Oh. Okay pa naman siguro. I think they're still okay. They're just
Buhay na yan, kaya nilabas ko na siya sa ano eh.
the wind.
Stress sila.
So this is what happened. They curl up. The leaves curl up. The wind's too strong. Yeah, they curl up. And they go limp.
Hanggang kailan ba mahangin? Mahangin na sa labas. Kailan ganun.
Yeah.
Oh.
And so these aren't damaged at all. These are okay. Maybe it's because they are against the wall. They're against the wall. What else? Oh.
Sa labas, di ba nasira yung aking tungkod ng pet? Eto na, Daddy.
St. Peter's cane. Oh,
Grabe.
No, this is the plant that we got from Yolanda Salamanan
Malaki na siya.
from Tanay.
Mabilis pala siya
Yeah,
lumaki.
so, yeah, they also easily flower.
Ayan.
Still don't know what kind of plant this is.
Hindi.
It's a nice flower. This is a very nice flower. It's a velvety. Let me show you. It's got a velvety texture. Can't focus. There. You see the velvety texture of the flower? It's a very nice texture. Look inside. You got those spots, orange spots inside. This is a very strange flower, but yeah, look at that velvet texture. And it feels like velvet too, exactly like velvet. There you go. Nice.
Big na siya. Madami yung cuts kasi umulan.
And look at your cadena de amor,
Oo, ang dami na nila.
the chain of love.
Doon sa pwesto nila, ayaw niya mamulaklak. Kaya namulaklak na siya.
They grow almost like how Sampaguita would grow.
Ganun pala to.
Almost like a Sampaguita. So are there any other plants that's been damaged by the wind aside from your Coleus plants?
Sa labas.
The what do you call that? Cane of St. Peter.
Yung tawag ni nanay dun.
The cane of St. Peter plant. So let's show that. There. Our Mayana plants, and these fell down because of the strong wind. They're so weak. So we call this tungkod ni San Pedro, the cane of Saint Peter.
Ang damas taling gumawa. Nagtanggalin na sila.
So if Saint Peter's cane fell down, don't know what's going to happen to.
Ang galing pa nga plastic na yun. Ang dami pa naman nila. Bali.
Yeah, see, they easily break. But the good news is that they will also easily grow new stems, new shoots. So you'll have to cut this here. You have to cut that.
Bagsakan yung mayana ko. Kaya.
Oh, still looking good. They're okay. This isn't okay. What if we tie them up together? Would that do? Oh, you pulled it out.
Napatanin ko na lang.
So if you put that into the soil, that will take root.
Siguro. Di ba ginanyan ko lang din naman siya niya. Ay, may tumba na siya eh. Tigas niya. Tumba siya.
Yeah. But this one, I'm just gonna let this go. I'm gonna let this go.
Anong kakalatan ito? Laki. Hugot ko rin isa.
Let me help. One, I said I was going to help.
Dinadama yung ano.
No, it's just one plant.
Ha?
It's just one plant.
Nadamay din siya.
Want me to take this too? Want me to pull this too? Huh?
Kapatanin ko na lang sa likod ko.
Yeah, two plants.
Hala.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Ay, gulay. Patay na kulay.
Yeah, but this is what's this plant called?
Horsetail.
Yeah, there you go. Horsetail also got pulled out.
Patanin niya sa likod.
Okay, so that's it. So we're gonna be replanting a few of these. So in the next episodes, what can our viewers expect?
Sana okay yung mga plants ko.
Okay.
Wala
Yeah.
ano.
Yeah, now there's a gaping hole right over there. Okay.
Yeah. Bye mga friends.